Sleep apnea is a potentially serious sleep disorder. Sleep apnea can manifest in patients who snores. Patient who snores, and they may even choke intermittently during sleep. So sleep apnea can happen in patients that have their airflow interrupted as many as 15, 30 times an hour. Sleep apnea patients also suffer from excessive daytime sleepiness. This can affect their productivity during work in the daytime. They often get tired easily, they're not able to focus at work, and sometimes in very worst case scenario, they may get into road traffic vehicle accident easily. So sleep apnea can be obstructive in nature, central, or a mix of both obstructive and central. Dental sleep medicine is an extension of general dentistry that focuses on the management of patients diagnosed with sleep disorder breathing such as snoring, obstructive sleep apnea, and sleep-related bruxism. Sleep medicine is not only a multidisciplinary field, but it is also an interdisciplinary field whereby we work closely with our medical specialist colleagues such as the ENT specialists, the cardiologists, the neurologists, myofunctional therapy to help our patients, because not one treatment fits all. These are the kind of snoring device that sometimes you may find on social media. You may buy one of this, but be careful of what you purchase, because all this may not be suitable for everyone, because everyone's jaw size, jaw shape is different. So these are the various kinds of oral appliances that I have over here. They have been through stringent research, clinical trials, and proven to work in patients with sleep apnea. So please go to a dentist that's trained in dental sleep medicine who is able to do a proper oral appliance for you to help you with your snoring.